What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. If you get any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you're new, leave me a comment. Leave me a comment about BePro. Leave me a comment about this dip. Let me know your thoughts. Just one moment. So a few of you have been asking me to do an update video on BePro due to the dip. So I thought I would share my thoughts about what's going on with BePro. I'm going to give my prediction only for the end of April due to the low volume in BePro, and it's very hard to predict at the moment. Usually it's much easier to predict if I have the volume to back it up, but I'm going to show you how quickly volume can change. So BePro is down 11% on the day. It's up 8% on the week, guys. So nothing too bad is going on, but it's trading sideways, like big time trading sideways over the last month. We had that nice pump all the way up to 4 cents, and then it kind of dumped. It sold off, and it's just been trading sideways, but kind of a little bit of a downward trend, guys. So we're gonna get into that. So we'll do a extremely brief, it's going to be super quick overview of the website, just because I'm a little bit tired. It's my fourth video of the day, so we're gonna get through it quickly. So BePro Network is a code base for DeFi gaming, prediction markets, and more. Right, guys? You can buy it here on ALTCOIN, Uniswap. So if we head over to the website, we can see it. You can build the future of DeFi gaming. So basically, it's coding, guys. So it's trusted by great companies like Chainlink, Anchor, for businesses and ideas of all sizes. So it's the code base for gaming, robust libraries, decentralized, build anything, charge fast, and be scalable on all networks. Your access to the network. All right, guys. 1 million operators, 25 million council. All right. So BePro token model. BePro token economy is built around the BePro token, a utility token that enables token holders to set up applications on BePro, participate in the network, and earn token rewards. So some of the backers here start using BePro. That's it, guys. So I'm going to hop over to the Twitter just to show you guys that there's still a ton of interest in BePro. So 8 hours ago, thanks to CoinGecko for recognizing BePro as a top 10 trending coin in the US and number 3. So guys, within the last 8 hours, it's number 3 trending on CoinGecko. So there is still quite a lot of interest in BePro, and BePro's network NFT factory is here for anyone to launch an online NFT business. So that's pretty cool. White label NBA Top Shot marketplace. So that was released yesterday, guys. So that's something to look at as well. So we're going to hop into this technical analysis. Now I do have a buy rating. This is TradingView, and over the week it is a buy. The 1 day, the 1 day it's still sitting in a buy. All right, guys. And the 1 week summary buy, moving averages strong buy. So let's quickly look at some technical analysis. Now this is from March 31st right here, guys, and we were kind of hoping to continue that trend upwards, but the thing with BePro, we're not seeing higher highs and higher lows. So we have a spike and then we sell off, and then we have a spike and we sell off, but we go lower, guys. And we're a healthy chart, you want to see higher highs and lower lows, so it kind of starts to go like that, right? But we're coming up and we're just selling right off, like a pump and a dump, and a pump and a dump, and a bad dump right here, and then pump and a dump, instead of sort of starting to trend upwards, you know, with the up down up down up down. That's not happening. So here's March 31st, and we were kind of hoping it was going to go like this, but it didn't. If you look here, we have March 31st right around here, and then it started to sell off once again, guys. So we're looking for resistance. Sorry, guys. We're now looking for support at 18 cents. All right, guys, 18 cents. We're currently, sorry, guys, 0.018. 0.0, it's just my dyslexia. We're currently at 0.021. So if we go back, our support line is 0.018. So we might see it come down and bounce off that support line. And if we go all the way down to 18 cents, you kind of want to hope it stays around where it's at right now at 0.021, and then it starts to have a healthier climb upwards. But if we do drop down to that support line of 0.018, it's going to be very close to oversold, guys, on the RSI. And when we reach oversold, it will bounce back up. Now we're hoping that the trend will be healthy. We are in a bull market, but unfortunately with BePro, in the last month, we're seeing this sideways, trading sideways, and we're not seeing higher highs and higher lows. We're seeing, you know, it's dropping and the lows are getting lower, right? So we need that volume. That's the thing right here, is we're missing that volume. It makes it hard for me to predict, but if BePro releases any type of large news, like I'm hoping it will, things could change drastically. So I quickly wanted to show you guys how quickly 24-hour volume can change. So we're here on March, let's even go back a day, March 14th, March 13th. The 24-hour volume was 3 million, all right, guys, and we're sitting at 0.007. Within a couple days, on March 15th, the 24-hour volume shot up to 29 million. Over a couple days, guys, when we went to 17 cents, we go to March 16th, we're now at 56 million for 24-hour volume, and we're at 25 cents. And the next day, we absolutely shoot up. This is actually the same day. So on March 15th, we go from a 52 million 24-hour volume to 100 million on March 16th. All right, guys, huge spike in volume, and we go all the way up to 4 cents. All right, guys, so it's very, in a bull market, you can see volume change in the course of a day massively. You know, it starts to trend upwards, and then tons of people pour into the coin, and it starts to shoot up. And hopefully, you don't want to see this dump, right? So my mid-April prediction in the last video for BePro was 10 cents. All right, guys, so I'm gonna bump that up to the end of the month, 10 cents for the end of the month, if we can see BePro start to have a healthier trend upwards instead of this big sell-off, like these huge sell-offs and then a little bit of trend and then it started to sell off again. So your line of support you want to watch for is 18 cents. You're hoping it doesn't really drop down to that, but it's possible. And then if you see a healthy trend upwards and we get to, you know, like towards 3 cents, 25 or 0.025, and then kind of trend upwards to 0.03, that could be a very good sign that we'll continue that trend with BePro. But we need some big news release, and we need this volume to increase, guys. We are in a bull market, so that's something to remember. And it's very possible, as you can see, how quickly volume can change right here, guys. All right, that's it for BePro, and this is the last video of the day. I'm gonna go relax, probably go sit outside. It is still cold here in Canada, which is super annoying. But I'm gonna call it a night. All right, guys, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Much love and take care.